Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to see history on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft OneNote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In OneNote for Windows 10, you can view the history of your notebook to see recent edits, changes, and versions. Now, if you are using the Microsoft OneNote on the web version, you're not going to be able to see the changes. As you can see, this page contains conflicting changes, and there isn't like an option for you to view the history. See that? Page versions. All right. So basically, these are going to be the option for you to see the recent changes in the page that has happened. All right, you can access the history tab here, and basically, but it's quite limited compared to the Microsoft OneNote desktop application. You see, if you're working and using this one, there is a dedicated button for you to access the history tab. All right, if you hover down here, you have the home, insert, draw, and history. If you click that, you would notice these are going to be the page versions. All right. You can delete all versions in section, delete versions in one notebook, disable history if you wanted. All right. You also have an option to see the recent edits. Is it going to be today, since yesterday, last 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, and you can also sort the pages by date. Now, viewing the history of your notes here in Windows 10 is very useful, especially if you're working collaboratively or managing complex projects. For example, in our case, we are a group of individual talented people who works behind the creatives of Deep Labs YouTube channel. One is handling the thumbnails, one is handling the research, and one is handling the video content. So, since we are using Microsoft OneNote as one of our collaborative tools, it is very important for us to see what changes have been made to a page over time. Because we are just sharing a specific notebook, you see there is an option here that says share entire notebook to all of the contributors. All right, so we can identify who made these specific changes by going here in the history. We would be able to see the recent edits. All right, or if the content was accidentally deleted or overwritten, we can recover it from an earlier version. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.